Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to hard reset iPhone. Friends, to hard reset iPhone is an easy process. Friends, for this you have to know the volume up button, volume down button, because you have to press as soon as possible volume up button and volume down button, and after that for a few seconds you have to press and hold the finger on power button here. This one, my friends. So right now I'm doing to hard reset of my iPhone. I'm pressing the volume up button and volume down button as soon as possible or as quick as possible. After that I'll long press the power button here. I'm doing, my friends, you can see carefully. See, my friends, I'm going to long press right on power button. Don't leave the finger until it comes up the Apple logo. See, my friends, Apple logo comes up, leave your finger. And you have to wait a few seconds to restart your iPhone. It's an easy process, right, my friends? But you have to do as quick as possible. You have to press volume up button and volume down button, and after that you have to long press the power button here, right? Until it comes up the Apple logo. Right, my friends? After that you have to unlock your phone. Done, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can hard reset your iPhone. Friends, to hard reset your iPhone, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.